Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust permissions on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So the first thing that we can do is go to the settings. In the settings you can, for instance, go to security and privacy, then over here go to privacy, and finally here we have permission manager, sorry about that. And over here we have different permissions. We can, for instance, go to microphone, and over here we have apps that can use microphone. And over here we can see apps that are allowed to use microphone while these apps are in use. And over here we also have apps that do not have the microphone granted. So for instance, if you want to grant permission, you can select the app, and then you can choose whether you want to being asked every time, or to allow to use microphone only while using the app. And of course you can do that with different permissions as well. The other way to set up the permission is by going to apps. So if you go to apps, there we go. Then over here we can go to, for instance, see all apps. And over here we can, let's say, choose WhatsApp as an example. And then over here we can go to permissions. And here we have different permissions that can be granted for that app. And we can select, let's say, microphone one more time. And then we can select the same permission and allow the microphone to be used by this app. So we have two ways to do so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.